What are you doing?
Oh yeah, so right now we're culturing some glioblastoma cell lines, and we are titering a virus on them. Hi everyone, I'm Alex Haddad. I'm a PGY-5 neurosurgery resident here at UCSF. I am currently on my research year in the labs of David Raleigh, Manish Aghi, and Ethan Winkler. I am working with all of them to design novel gene therapies that can specifically target meningioma cells, glioblastoma cells, or vascular pathologies and deliver therapeutics just to those cells so we can really make an impact for those patients who need something new. The research environment at UCSF is, I think, fantastic. So I'm interested in combining a lot of different fields, and I think that being at an institution like UCSF totally allows and supports that. And the research environment here isn't something new. UCSF has been the #1 NIH-funded neurosurgery department in the country for over 20 years, and that was definitely something I considered when choosing which program to attend, because I knew there was such a strong history of not only clinical excellence here at UCSF, but academic excellence and research funding. And I had no concerns about coming here and, if one of the faculty changes, et cetera, there's no concerns about that because I know the tradition here is so strong. And then just, scaling out a little bit, the city of San Francisco, I think, is probably one of the most exciting places in the world to live right now. We have, I think, OpenAI is across the street from us here at Mission Bay. There's all the AI boom and centers here, and there's just a lot of excitement in San Francisco right now for new techniques that are changing the way we do research and biology. The typical day as a PGY-5 resident, I think, is a lot different than any other year. We don't wake up as early, for sure, I think, across the board. I usually will come in the lab. I'm not going to say the exact time, but sometime in the morning, just in case Dr. Chang's watching. Dr. Chang, we're very busy here. But I'll come in the lab, do research. I do a lot of bioinformatics as well at my house, and then we'll usually have a lab meeting. I'll get lunch with one of my co-residents, exercise, spend time with my dog, take him on a walk. But also, I think we're really trying to be as productive as we can, joking aside. We have a huge emphasis on training academic neurosurgeons here. And so there is definitely a push to want to be as productive and make as many strides as possible during this research year. I think one piece of advice I'd give to a student who's thinking about neurosurgery and different programs is think about what you want at the end of the day. So one of the reasons I chose UCSF is because I want to be an academic neurosurgeon. I not only want to take fantastic care of patients and be a top clinician, which I think the volume at UCSF is sort of unparalleled in getting you there, but I also want to have an academic research career in a lab. And I did a sub-I here. I saw the chiefs that were graduating. I saw them in the operating room, and I said, if I can be like them, I'll be happy. And then I also saw the faculty here and their labs and just balancing the role of neurosurgeon scientists. And I thought they were fantastic mentors and role models.